I had this in the oven for basically 6 hours on low. It was about 200. I chopped it up with my potato, or whatever you want to call this, masher thingy. And so now it's in chunks. I still want to cook it down so I can blend it. I'm going to just stick it on warm until the morning. We'll be back. This sat overnight for 10 hours on warm in my Instapot. Now I'm going to immersion blend it. Oh, I did drain off all the water first. I dumped out probably at least 2 cups of water. Now I'm going to blend it. You could put it into chunks and can it like this, but I'm going to blend mine and be a little bit of a rebel. I have 9 8-ounce jars. It's just a half pint because I wanted to do this size because I have a cookie recipe that just calls for 8 ounces of pumpkin. So this will be perfect. It's from the Lehigh Roller Mills box set, which is so yummy. It tastes exactly like the pumpkin cookies that you get from the store. I'm going to process these for 55 minutes with my pressure canner. So for the remainder of the pumpkin, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to get pumpkin pies in a jar ready. I just will omit the eggs and the milk. But for one pie, I need half a cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of brown. Teaspoon of cinnamon, teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. I don't have pumpkin pie spice, so I'm just going to add half a teaspoon of ginger, and some nutmeg. You know me, you have to do fresh ground. Look at all that beautiful nutmeg. And now, it says half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to do a full teaspoon. Skosh less. After these come out, now I can add 2 eggs and a can of evaporated milk, and I have a really fast, easy pumpkin pie off the shelf. Now let's add the pumpkin. Okay, you're probably wondering, can't really leave it like that, so yes, I need to mix it. You see it dropped significantly. Clean off these jars, and then I can also process them for 55 minutes. After they came out, here's my lovely jars, and I have the instructions. Add 2 eggs and 1 can of evaporated milk. Dump it into a pie shell. Ooh, yummy, easy pumpkin pie. Easy for Thanksgiving. Great make-ahead dish and dessert. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Stay tuned for the next video, and I will show you how I put this pumpkin pie together, and you can make ahead as well the day before.